My family member does not want to get out of the bed, does not want to interact, remains isolated from society, is aloof in social behavior, does not want to communicate, keep themselves away from work. Now, these are some of the telltale signs which help you indicate or identify that the person is not 100%. There are some negative elements which are popping up, and it's a right time to identify and rule those negativities from your friends and family. And once that is done, then only positivity can be restored. So, identification of the root cause is important. Once the cause is identified, understand the stressors that lead to that cause, remove those stressors, make sure you are not comparing them, make sure you are not relating them to others, making them accomplished, understanding their problems, getting compassionate towards them, and that's some of the good ways you can help them get out of that difficult phase of life.